Black champagne without the bubbles made it all the way from Stockholm. Wish I could go back.
Hi guys, we just got to NUNGWI. Yeah, we checked in about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, so just going around to check out the place, then get something to eat. The bus ride was pretty fast. We would think that we'll be here in 2 hours, but we're literally here in an hour. Yeah, there weren't many stops as people say, but bus stop or what. We were here in 1 hour because the Google Maps in an hour 3 minutes. English hour 10, hour 30. But we're here in an hour, so yeah, let's go out and check around, and yeah, let me show you the road. And look for late lunch, something to eat before dinner. So yeah, see you when we get there. Hi guys, so it's later in the day, or in the evening. We are now off to Coco Bello, yeah, for the NUNGWI nightlife. We'll see you when we get back. Good morning guys. It's day 2 in NUNGWI. Well, this our first full day in NUNGWI. We're just heading out to get breakfast, come back, and then we leave for the aquarium. And yeah, so that's pretty much. We slept in a little bit. This is now 9:30. We were supposed to leave here at 8, but we're just heading out to breakfast now. So we are in a bit of a hurry. We'll catch up when we get to breakfast. Yeah, I haven't put any makeup on today. It's quite hot early this morning. So yeah, catch you at breakfast. Oh, let me show you my outfit.
Let's go.
bag that I got yesterday. See you when we get there.
Black champagne without the bubbles made it all the way from Stockholm. Wish I could go back and hold the porcelain. All of us around one table, games that no one knew the name of. Hurts me so, it's in the past already. And I'm not unhappy, but I don't feel real. Standing in front of what is now in picture frame. And I'm in a good place, but I just can't breathe over the thought that it won't be like that again. Down grass slopes behind the lake house, red knees and burning treetops. Make friends with faces in the ceiling. All of us around one table, black champagne, but how could I know? Was too young to see the time was fleeting. And I'm not happy, but I don't feel real. Standing in front of what is now a picture frame. And I'm in a good place, but I just can't breathe over the thought that it will be like that again. Be like that again.
in fact, our phone battery died whilst we are on our way back, and now we are heading out for our last dinner in Zanzibar, well, in NUNGWI. Yeah, so let me show you my outfit. So this is my outfit of the night. This orange dress, and I'm wearing I'm putting on these sandals. Yeah, I have no time for heels. And then this bag, I already know it. So yeah, we are late. We're supposed to be there by 8:30. It's now is it past 9? Yeah, so I'll catch up with you when we are at dinner. Oh, you want to show
What's
our
up?
outfits?
Let's go.
Okay, we are matching. It's also wearing orange.
Leo kwangu kesho kwako mama iyo afro lakini naja sagara.
One thing about Zanzibar or Tanzania as a whole, you will get fruits with your breakfast. Yeah, and hakuna coleslaw. I don't know coleslaw salad. Their salad in English is cream, guys. I think it's just lemon. Yeah, but it's nice. Yeah. Anyways, it's our last day on the island. It's sad, but we have to go back home. Yeah, so we're just having our breakfast, then head back to Stone Town to catch our ferry at 4 p.m. Yeah, so I think we'll do lunch in Stone Town before we leave. I managed to upload the travel vlog last night. Yeah, I think around midnight. So yeah, let me start editing the Stone Town vlog. It should be ready by, I think, in 2 days or even less. Yeah, so let me have my breakfast, and just want to say Zanzibar was nice. Zanzibar did us well, and yeah. We'll talk to you when we are back in ZIM. Or should I vlog my way back? Yeah, I'll vlog on my way back. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope you subscribe to my channel.